Hi, I'm Maya Ellis. I'm the Innovation and Digital Lead at Lancashire County Council, and I'm here today for the Solace Civica workshop on the future of local government in Manchester. We had a really interesting discussion this afternoon around emerging technologies and innovation, and I think the point that was very pertinent for me was around how we involve lots of different voices around the table to discuss how we're going to use future technologies, making sure that we consider how different groups of people use different technologies, both within our council but also among our citizens. So I think that was kind of a really valuable point for me about kind of making sure that we understand lots of different viewpoints about how this technology will be and can be used.